Oh my, Santa, what are you doing here in the podcast studio?
I'm here to check in on you. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Why are you here and in my chair?
This is an intervention.
Oh, not again. I thought maybe you came to be on the podcast.
Well, I thought I would just take over the podcast.
What?
In order to share my concerns with you.
Don't tell me you have another book, Santa.
I don't have a book. I didn't need a book this time, but I do have a notepad.
A list?
Yes, I have a list.
Oh. What did I do wrong this year?
Here's Santa's concerns.
Okay.
The first category, just being unclear with direction.
What?
You know, and you really misbehaved on the Prova site. You know, you were trying to measure, and it was already all done. You were trying to keep up.
I think I was set up on that thing. I think it was a setup from day one. I went there.
A setup. Let's roll the tape.
We're late.
Oh, late. Measure twice.
Yeah.
Cut once.
Okay. How to measure one more time?
13, 14.
How to measure one more time? Just let me.
I think Anna will probably be at the bar having a beer, and Ryan's still going to be here and probably still cutting. Another way of doing it. This first pan comes at no charge.
Okay.
I lost track.
I feel a little picked on.
Now he's throwing stuff. As they say, Ryan, miracles do happen. Ryan, we got to finish today. Ryan, you're beyond help. You are a legend in your own mind.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, now next up, Anna.
Yes.
Painting. Okay? I watched this from my lazy boy up at the North Pole in front of the fire.
Right.
And within about 15 seconds, you gave her 4 different directions about painting. Stop painting, start painting, pretend to paint, actually paint. I was so confused.
Making TV is hard, Santa.
Oh.
Making TV is hard, and that stuff's behind the scenes. That's not really, you know, that's not indicative of what happens on a construction site. That's just blooper reel material.
You know what's hard? Delivering Christmas joy to all the world's children in one night. That's hard.
It is.
This isn't hard. You need to give her clear direction on how to paint, what to do. She knows what to do. Just tell
Let's
her.
take a look at the tape. Anna. You're supposed to be painting.
You said, are you kidding? The last time you said that I should be doing nothing. Don't move. Don't touch anything.
When we're
Don't-
recording, over here. Now it's your turn. So you pretend to paint. Pretend to paint, Anna. Hold that up there. Not the wall or the ceiling. The wall. Okay, perfect. All right, perfect. All right. So actually be painting. Actually be painting.
Oh my! You just said pretend.
Yeah, all right. Well, don't paint.
Okay, next category of concerns.
You have categories of concerns.
I have categories. I've categorized them
my.
here. Where did everyone go?
What do you mean?
Some of my favorite people aren't here anymore. Joel. Joel is a beauty.
Working on the Brampton construction team, it's always been fun. Ryan always has created a really great atmosphere to work with.
Want me to put these back on for you?
I got it.
You can reach?
I took it off, yeah.
Let's pretend.
I love him. I'd be nothing without him. I'm gonna get a tattoo of his name on me.
Joel's not here.
Joel is a beauty, but he moved away. He didn't quit in anger. He moved away. And Joel and I have become very close friends. I talk to him all the time. I'm helping him with his business. He was actually on the podcast talking about his local company just today.
I just missed him.
You just missed him.
Oh, please tell him I said hello.
I will.
I'm glad to hear.
I'm
he's
hoping that
doing
you're
well.
checking in on him as well.
Of course, Santa knows, but I'm here to put you on the spot, right? To see how things are going.
Oh, great.
Now, also, where is Javon? Santa told you specifically to be nice to Javon. Don't upset Javon this year.
Got it. Do not upset. Okay, I got it, Santa.
There you go.
Thank you for the advice. You're my life coach now.
And I saw in some of the footage, like, Javon talked about it being a family, and he just felt so. He was so full of joy.
Yes.
And now he's not here. Where did he go?
Javon is still here. He just had an opportunity to kind of do his own thing as well and work with one of his friends, and he's still around. I talked to him the other day. But yeah, you're right. Javon loved working with us, and I loved having him here. And I do got some great footage of us and working with Javon.
I mean, the main thing I like working about this team is that I get to destroy stuff. I mean, down to walls and ceilings. And that the people around me are always nice, kind, and we joke around a lot. So it's like a family to us, you know? Like, we all get into work, we all leave, all happy, see each other the next day.
But what I want to do is something a little extra, because I like doing stuff extra. I want to put a header up here. Sorry. You all right? Yeah, you good?
Everything fine?
He was tearing up because you said you did a good job.
Yeah.
Javon is a delight. Let's talk now about unprofessionalism.
What?
Okay?
Unprofessionalism?
Unprofessionalism. Diamond Street.
Great rebuild, Diamond Sea. Yeah, wonderful story.
It was a great story. But you're just breaking windows for no reason.
It was a mistake, Santa.
You're telling them not to put it in the footage.
Of course, I didn't, but they did anyway.
Can I hit this and not hit the window? What, boom or boom? Oh, ooh. No, he screwed this one in. We don't have to be gentle with it, but I really don't want to.
Smashing it really pieces.
Yeah. Don't put that on camera. We're all good.
Sometimes I don't have creative control.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
And next, the swearing. All the time. I can't get through half an episode without a beep here and a beep there. It's
because
too
you're
much.
watching you should really watch the stuff that's on Apple TV or Amazon or Rogers TV, because all the swearing's been removed there. You see behind the scenes with your little special camera. I don't know.
We have just had a really great conversation. Holy hate renovations. This sucks. I'm tired of this bullshit. Everyone fucks everything up all the time. I'm sick of it. Well, we've pretty much fucked everything over so far. This is the stuff that the internet will beat you up on. He didn't seal his cuts. Fuck off.
Instead of all these beeps, if you could just replace it with a little jingle bell, that would be much more festive and enjoyable for me.
No problem.
Good news. There have been moments of hope.
Wow, so you didn't come just to take over the podcast and give me a hard time.
No, I'm here to talk to you. I'm trying to decide whether you're going to be on the nice or the naughty list. This is where I'm at.
Okay.
Okay? And I have all this information from my research about the concern areas, and then but these are the moments of hope.
Okay, let's roll the moments of hope.
Great hope. First off, and I think most importantly, you helped a wonderful couple rebuild their bathroom, Kat and Craig.
I did. Yeah, the whole team did, not just me.
Wonderful story.
It was a wonderful story. It was called Ottawa's Ugliest Bathroom. It wasn't so much about the bathroom. It was about the mental health issues that she was struggling with, to give her a safe space. And the whole team really came together, including some new faces. We had Deirdre, one of our designers, come on, and it was really, really good. And, Kat and Craig, God bless them. I hope that nothing but the best for them.
It doesn't even feel like that bathroom anymore.
It's a different place.
Yeah, for me, it's like a sanctuary. It's just a place to relax and just take care of myself and just enjoy and make new memories. The bathtub was the highlight for me. That is all I wanted. I think it's going to help me a lot, just being able to have that time just to relax, have some relaxing time in the bath to read, and just kind of let the stress go from the end of the day. And I love steam, so just soaking and just enjoying that quiet moment.
That was a wonderful story. Santa absolutely loved it. Also, you've been spotlighting local businesses.
Yes.
With this new podcast.
Yes, the podcast is off to a great start. I mean, obviously, I got your attention. You showed up in my studio. But we really want to focus on the wonderful trades here in Ottawa. Ottawa and the trades in general have a stigma. And I want to turn that around, because that's not what I see every day working in the trades. I see amazing people, and we're going to have some local businesses, some direct competitors of mine are going to come on the show and talk about what it's like to do business in Ottawa, and that we really do care. There are people out there who care.
Love that. Inclusion, eliminating stigma, all things high on Santa's list of favorite things.
Great.
Next, I'm so pleased to see that you're sponsored now by Santa's great friends at Bomber Approved.
Yes, thank you. Yeah. I have had a great year working with them. I was able to do some work at the home shows. Again, all about sponsoring the trades. And Bomber Approved, which is headed by Brian Baumler of HGTV, he really wants to do the same things that I do, but Canada-wide. And to be able to work with him and showcase the trades, it's awesome.
Wonderful. Wonderful partnership.
Good work with good people.
Wonderful. Santa's potentially favorite thing is the special, because I didn't come to visit you last year. Yeah, things were going well, and then I saw your Christmas video, and it was you surprising your lovely wife Heather with beautiful new Christmas lights.
Yes.
And Santa loves them.
Yes, it was absolutely amazing to do that for my wife. Again, a local Ottawa company, Avalanche Systems, came in and did that for us. We spent the day with them. We got to know them, and they did such amazing work. All approved by Electrical Safety Authority, and my wife absolutely loves it. And you should see our house now, Santa. It is lit up for Christmas.
Oh, I did see it when I flew overhead last year, and I it was lovely.
I had someone install something super special for you, and it's going to light up the house. You ready?
I'm
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Go.
Oh my gosh.
Christmas! Permanent Christmas lights. It's absolutely amazing. There's so much we can do. But you asked for Christmas lights, so I give you Christmas lights with a twinkle.
Look, they change.
They change. Cool.
Oh, they're so pretty.
Yeah. Yeah. And you know what? I didn't have to use a ladder to do it. In fact, I didn't do anything. It's kind of my signature. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Wonderful. So looking ahead to 2025.
Right.
What's new and exciting? I hear that there's a new site manager, another Dustin.
There is, yeah, we now have 3 Dustins who work in some capacity for the company, but Dustin is just a wealth of knowledge. He comes with a ton of experience, and we really wanted to get to those bigger roles. And of course, the TV stuff and the podcast is keeping me away from the renovation company. And of course, I still want to have that quality, and Dustin was able to step up and take control of the team. He's going to be in season 4 of the Contractor Ryan show, which is going to be out starting in January.
Oh, wow. I'll be sure to tune that North Pole satellite dish up. And there's going to be more podcast episodes coming.
There are a lot more podcasts coming. I tell you, it's going to be really fun. We've had some really fun guests. There's so much more. I can't talk about it, but I can tell you that the podcast is going to be on Rogers TV as well. And it's also on Apple TV and Amazon Prime and all the major streaming platforms.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Well, listen.
Ah.
A big part of being here today was for me to help get the information I need to decide whether you'll be on the naughty or the nice list this year. And I'm pleased to report that although it is a tight decision, it's a close one this year.
All right.
I believe that Santa's moments of hope, especially that wonderful story about Cat and Craig and the work that you did there, you're going to be on the nice list this year. So you can expect a special little something from Santa under the tree on Christmas morning.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes, of course.
If you came here knowing that I'd be on the nice list, did you just come here to give me a hard time about me swearing and having a...
Isn't that normally what we do?
Yes, it is. Thanks for coming, Santa.
Oh, and I'll be back again next year. I think the 2-year wait is too much because you diverted a little off track. I think we'll come back regularly. So next year, maybe we could go and visit those wonderful tradespeople again.
That's what I need, a check-in from Santa every year.
Merry Christmas.